Friends and neighbors, we are living in a special era these days. When we have gotten older, and many of the beloved items from our youth have gone the way of the four winds, we are in an era where they can be found again and regained if one has some money and, more importantly, some patience. As always, friends and neighbors, if you are a returning viewer, I welcome you back. If you are new to the channel, I bid you welcome for your first time. I will leave a couple of thumbnail links at the end of this video. Please check my channel out. I hope you like what you see. But recently, I took to eBay and I found some items from my youth. I had quite a bit of the old school Kenner Star Wars toys. I had quite a few of those growing up. They're long gone, many of them at least. As I've gotten older, I don't know what happened to them. It happens, childhood phase into adulthood, but I was able to make some purchases from eBay and regain a little bit of my youth. And it is my pleasure to share them with you today. So I'm glad you could join me. This particular one was an auction that I got lucky on. I stumbled upon it when there was about maybe 15 or 20 minutes left. And the high bid at the time was not that high. So I took a shot. I put in my bid. And lo and behold, as the auction wound down to its closing minutes, someone tried to snipe me out of the auction, but the bid that I had put in was high enough to secure me the win. There was enough time left on the auction for me to review this. It looked in decent shape. I hope it is as good a shape in person as it was on the website. They sent this. Oh, I can already see it. I can already see it. Oh, great. Here we go. Make sure I'm not missing anything. This is actually the third unboxing I've done today. It's been a productive Sunday. It is well wrapped, I will say that. Not as complete as I was led to believe. Or is it? Maybe it is. I don't know. Wait a minute. There's a reason I'm being this thorough. Okay, nothing in there, nothing in there. All right, look. I might have to do a little bit more hunting on eBay. But we have an old school Kenner X-Wing. Now, before I dive too deep into this, I want to make sure I'm not missing anything. Oh, I take it back. It is okay. I saw it correctly. All right, put that aside. The reason I was panicking was because I thought the cannons from the X-Wing were missing. And they're not. They're here. So, first glance, this looks to be in very good shape. Maybe a little bit of wear on the sticker here. A little bit there, not bad. Couple of air bubbles on the stickers on the wings, but that's it. I can live with that. All right. I gotta do this very carefully. Okay. Canopy opens and stays in place. Yes, very good. Landing gear goes down, locks in place. Okay. This is going to get a place of honor on my nerd shelf. I can tell you that right now. Big time, big time. Yep, there they are. All right. Little momentary panic. But everything is fine. We got one. Two. They're snapping in place. I know I'm doing this off camera, but they're snapping into place. Show you. Not really much wear and tear. Really, the only issue, if that I'm seeing is maybe a couple of air bubbles on the decals on the wings. But no, this looked... The person who had this took care of it. I will say that right now. If I can just get this last one out. Come on, you... Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. And I think the wings should open up. Yep, there we go. No batteries in it. I'm going to get to that in a moment. There we go. Now, I honestly do not remember. Oh, wait a minute. I got to... Before I get to the batteries. Came with it. It was offered with it. And they really did a good job of covering all this up, I have to say. Making sure everything was secure. And if you can see, it even comes with the gun. And this is not Hasbro. Again, this is not Hasbro. This is Kenner from the 70s. There's Luke. The joints look in pretty good shape. Let me get the gun out. Whoa. Oh yeah, this guy really 5-star packaging, making sure it's all secure. I'm gonna be honest. There we go. There he is. I'm gonna leave the gun in his hand. We get Luke in the cockpit. And come on, get your other arm in there, you farm boy. All right, hang on. Take the lid off. And there we go. He's in. He's in. That is a beautiful sight. Yep, there we go. Oh, man. Woo! Baby. I'm geeking out. I'm sorry. All right. Quick pause while I figure out. There was for the entry for this. There was a video showing that this worked with the batteries. I'm gonna pause this video real quick, get the batteries in here, and we'll see how this sounds. All right, sit tight a minute. Okay, I actually had to look it up because I wasn't sure and I didn't want to damage anything. But it's basically this little component right here. You flip that open with like a flathead screwdriver. All right, batteries are in. So to recap, we have our Kenner X-Wing looking in excellent shape. And if it holds true to the video, we should get the noise, and this should light up if I push the button. Oh, that is a wonderful sound! Yes, it works! It has been a long time since I had this. Or one, well, not this one, but one of these. All right? But, oh, man. That is the Kenner old school X-Wing with the Luke Skywalker X-Wing pilot. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. So now that brings me to this thing. It's even marked with a fragile sticker on it. Fragile, if you will. This was not purchased. Well, this was not an auction. I should say this was one I bought outright. Again, like the X-Wing, it has been a long time since I've had this one. It looked in excellent excellent condition, yeah. Pretty good condition. Not flawless for one particular reason that I will mention, but it didn't put me off of buying it. There's a lot of packaging here. It would help if I put the lid down, wouldn't it? Very, very, very well packaged. And I'm trying not to go crazy. Okay, that's one part of it. As I very gently put that down, I think that's just paper for the... This is another part of it. I think that's it for the box. Okay. I'll put that aside. Okay. So in the box, we had the same item that has to be assembled. And, yep, okay. Once again, we have a superb packing job. Oh, man. I'm geeking out. All right. Let me get it all unwrapped and put together for you. Oh. The hype is real. The hype is real. I know I'm nerding out, but believe me, the hype is real. Friends and neighbors. Darth Vader's TIE Fighter. And just gotta snap the wing back on there. Hold on. This should actually, yep, that pops out. Okay, give me one quick minute. The only thing that they mentioned was that the decals, the solar panels, these were not original to the ship. All right, these are replacements, but they are made from the same specs, the same material. They look pretty much like the decals that it originally came with. I gotta say, maybe he found these in the decals in a kit elsewhere. I don't know, but there we go. Okay. Yep, there we go. And we have a battery compartment. I came prepared for this one. That one goes there. This one goes there. Put this back on. It works. There we go. And inside, I'll show you. The seat does raise up. Now, I can hear you out there, friends. You're probably saying, what good is a Star Wars ship if you don't have anybody to fly the thing? And to that, I can only say, indeed. You probably know what's in this. It was separate. It was a separate purchase from eBay, different vendor. And I went looking for this one. And I found it. And it looked decent. And I'm guessing Tom's Attic Sale. Follow us on eBay. We are a small family-run business, and we appreciate your purchase. Please contact us if you have any issues with your purchase. Before leaving feedback, we will make it right. You can contact us through eBay, email, app, blah blah, or text, blah 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 blah. Follow Tom's Attic Sale on eBay for exclusive. Oh, I'm gonna hang on to this. You never know. Now I'm guessing that the item in question is wrapped up in that. Trying to not go crazy. I've actually had all of this in my room for a while. I just haven't been able to do the video until now. It's a long wait. Your paper, your bubble wrap. Again, kudos to these vendors for packaging these products so well. From the original Kenner line. The Dark Lord of the Sith himself. With the saber cane. I call it the saber cane because, the old Kenner line, that's a bubble wrap, don't worry about that. If you look, he's holding the saber in his hand, and this is made to look like it's sliding out. The only wear and tear I see on this, I don't even know if you can tell, on the tip of that saber, a little bit of a stress thing, I don't know. But that's small potatoes. The cape itself is in great shape, as far as I can tell. The joints move all right. Yes. Legs go all right. Friends and neighbors, let's get Vader into his TIE fighter. What do you say here? You know what? We're going to raise the seat up. Make it a little easier. I need both hands. I'm sorry. Because I got to fold the cape, move the arms up like he's working the controls. And please fit, please fit. Okay. He is seated. And if I drop him down, there we go. Close the cockpit, and there he is. Actually, I can bump him down a little more. There we go. All right, you know what? Good enough. There we go. There we go. He's in. It works. The boy, the child in me is screaming to just cut loose and have fun with these two. Just go around the house and make up a space battle. Happy is not the word right now. Honest to God. I am ecstatic. Yeah, that's definitely going on my nerd shelf. And as you can see behind me over my shoulder, I got an empty shelf just for it. Just for these two. Friends and neighbors, thank you so much for joining me for this. Like, comment, share, subscribe, you know the deal. Let me know what you think. If this brings back any memories for you, please share them. I always love hearing from you guys. And until I see you in the next video, as always, please, please, please be good and be well. Be safe. And be happy. See you next time.